Post-World War II, and as civil rights advanced, African Americans left the South on Route 66, searching for opportunities they should, by law, have had everywhere, but did not.
That is your little hole-in-the-wall kind of picture. It was actually the foundation of us going into business. And what you see there is two people that enjoyed doing what they do. They enjoyed serving people. They enjoyed caring for people, and they were motivated by the good Lord to do His will. When we finally moved into this central location, Mom was actually the business part of it. And she was also the one that made customers feel comfortable. Mom ran the show. She was actually the glue that held us all together. She was the glue that kind of accompanied him because he drove us, but she made sure that we were ready to be driven. If you look at the logo here, that represents the 1870. 1870 was my dad's great-great-grandmother. Her name was Aunt Caroline. Aunt Caroline came up with the recipe to the barbecue sauce, and she handed it down 4 generations. Now, she was born in slavery in Mississippi, sold to another family into Louisiana, and she died in Nacogdoches, East Texas. The root of our flavoring actually comes out of Louisiana.
Now, when your family moved over here, do you happen to remember how they traveled or how you all traveled?
We had 66 at Tucumcari, I think it was. Yeah, we came up Tucumcari straight up. And we had a station wagon that had all of us in it. It was 13 of us. And the truck was in as good a shape as Dad could get. Anyway, Dad and Mom argued all night about whether or not we should be doing this. When we woke up, we were here.
But Mom wanted us all to graduate from high school, go to college, go to military, wherever he wanted. And she says, I wanted him to give him a full opportunity. That opportunity was available in New Mexico.
And part of the move was Brown versus Board integrating schools happened in 1954. We left there 4 years later and schools hadn't integrated. So that's why some things couldn't happen in Texas, because Texas was cut and dry. Black here, white there. And we cranked up a barbecue operation on South Broadway, 1962. So the business started to rise. I mean, to the point where I would meet people. I met a captain in the Air Force in San Francisco one night, and he said, I ate at your folks' restaurant the other night. Want to go out and see a movie?